thank you so much, Riju, for joining us today. I wanted to take this opportunity to inform all the learners who want to join this course and who are actually looking forward to it. They'll give an idea what exactly we do. So thank you so much for joining us today. And let me start with how exactly you are doing today.
Thanks asking Tanya for the day that is going awesome here in Kolkata. And yes,
So
that's
how
good.
I'll tell you how exactly this will go. I'll ask certain questions about the course that you have enrolled in. You have to give a feedback about those questions and you can be as open and honest you want to be. Okay? Sounds
Sure.
good? Okay. So first of all, we'll start with the professional background of yours. How exactly, what are the technical skills that you have so that learners will get an idea how you have started from BPO and how you have transformed yourself into core IT background. So please go ahead.
Sure. So that's a great question you asked, Tanya. I'm belonging from non-IT, but yes, my technical background as I'm an engineer with electronics and communication background. So after 2 years of non-IT corporate world, I soon realized that my full technical ability is not being fully utilized. So I got the opportunity with a technical support role for the last couple of years, like 2 years, and my current company is future focused infotech, where I'm working as a tech support analyst. Yeah.
That's great. I also come to know that you have recently got a new opportunity into core IT background. If you can give us an insight how exactly that happened to you, so that will be really helpful for us and for the learners who are willing to join and who want to transform their career from BPO or call centers to a core IT.
Exactly. That's also a great, asking and question. And I can say it will help the juniors to, grow and take the good things and which will help their career too. So yeah, starting from the career with the non-IT to IT, first of all, you should have proper willingness to learn new things. And if you will just learn like technical new things, what you have already, and you want to groom yourself in a better way. So I can say like, yes, I had myself for the core roles, but not the senior kind of roles that I'm having right now in my hand. So after joining the Skillfyme, a lot of things I have gained for like skills and tools that I have learned with my trainer Sonal. I can give 100% credit to Sonal and trainings, everything, and purpose the study materials that I have gained for the couple of months. And then yes, I did some optimization in my LinkedIn profile, and also I get the call from the recruiters, those who are from the international and also in the national abroad deals as well. So definitely, I got the opportunity, and there are 4 to 5 rounds, and then I got selected with a good role. Yeah.
Thank you for sharing. So my next question will be related to the content. So like the material in this is the chapters, the tools that we are covering. How exactly is that? What is your take on those tools or like you can say syllabus or curriculum that we cover?
Yeah. First of all, once you have received the whole curriculum from the team that you have onboarded with Skillfyme, they will give you the right path with a PDF brochure. Once you have it, you will have a proper path that what exactly one by one the DevOps tools like that, and the whole CI/CD pipelines you should have learned properly. So you cannot jump one thing like just on only the Kubernetes before that. First of all, you need to learn like GitHub, and then like periodically sequentially you have to learn the new things, and then you can get this. Yeah.
Basically, you're saying that the path that we are providing, you just follow that and things will rise.
Exactly. Yeah.
Cool. Okay. So if we talk about the classes that you take, so the classes are mostly on like we can say hands-on practices more and theoretical practices less. So what is your take on that? Like what do you feel? The theoretical part is less or the hands-on practice is more? What is your take as a learner?
Yeah, that's a great question. The most like I think Skillfyme provide to every tech individuals, which is the labs, the lab access, and as well as the hands-on practices while they are doing their live training. So we have the batch like 14 or 15 people. They are all having asking live questions on that, any particular topic or any kind of you're having queries on that. Definitely, this trainer will give you the one-to-one and several use cases they are having to understand your confidential and fundamental knowledge before a topic. So yeah, sounds good.
So you actually answered my next question. So I wanted to ask, let's say like this is a 3 months course. So as a non-tech, you might have some doubts, right? So were the doubts during the class was resolved or they were skipped, or did you get any chance for one-on-one session as well?
Yeah, absolutely. If you have any doubt when while you are like in the training itself, Right now, we can ask even on the live training class purpose, and also we have right now a strategy like the Friday call. So that's if you have purchased the like 5 days or 7 days, whatever. So I have purchased the 5 days curriculum. So meanwhile, 4 days the live training which is going, you can just go through and question all the related questions. And on Friday, if you have questions which is related to the not related to the subject, you can just ask to the trainer and they will help you out.
Okay, so you mean to say like if you have a doubt on Thursday is your last session. So any topic previously conducted, you can clarify over there with the instructor, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you so much. And I wanted to know, as a learner, if you have to give advice, someone who are planning to join this course, what will be your advice to them?
True. I can say like if you first of all you should have proper willingness to learn something new, and if you are a non-tech or IT, that doesn't matter. Even a non-IT role and a BPO role also can join DevOps world, and also they can gain some knowledge in this curriculum. So I would say first of all just keep things aside that I cannot do anything. First of all, you need prerequisite that I should do something and I can do better, and then you can join this Skillfyme organization, which is provided very less and optimizable price on that, I can say. And definitely it will help a lot to the students who are very middle class or lower class, who they cannot buy some kind of a large product other compared to the markets. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Riju, for this honest feedback of yours. That was really helpful for me and for the learners who are willing to join. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Tanya.